Hi, I'm Jay Bretz, the owner of Excel Roofing. Thanks for your interest in our company. Today I'd like to take you on a quick tour of the company and introduce you to some of our people. This is Norma. Norma has been with the company for over 20 years. She's one of those key employees that knows a little bit about everything. If you have any questions or concerns and you call the company, there's a good chance that she'll answer the phone and she'll know how to answer the question. This is Margarita, one of our administrative assistants who's also been with us for a number of years. Margarita takes care of quite a bit of the paperwork. When the guys turn in contracts, things like that, she gets the paperwork and the files going. Margarita is part of the glue that keeps the whole thing together. And here's our accountant extraordinaire, Marion. Marion, she takes care of the invoicing, accounts payable, accounts receivable. She makes sure that everybody gets paid so there's never a lien put on your house. So she gets it all taken care of. Thank you, Marion. And here we have Anna. Anna is our IT extraordinaire. She takes care of quite a bit of the IT stuff, different administrative stuff. She also does care calls. After your job is finished, there's a good chance that you're going to be hearing from Anna to make sure that you're satisfied and there's no concerns about the job. Thank you, Anna. And here we have Nancy. Nancy's also another one of our administrative assistants. Nancy, one of her primary duties is to take care of gutter scheduling. If there's any questions or concerns about your gutters and you call the office, Nancy's the person to talk to and she will get you all taken care of. Thank you, Nancy. This is our production department. This is Mike. Mike is our inspections manager. If you have any questions about the scheduling of the inspection, about that ladder that we have to put out there, anything like that, Mike is the man. If you call the office and talk to him, he can help you out. Over on this side is Dominic. Dominic's our production manager. This guy's the best problem solver that I have ever worked with. Dominic takes care of many different things. One of them is scheduling the roof material, the roofing crews. He works hand in hand with the project managers to make sure that everything is done just as smoothly as possible. If you have any questions about the scheduling or anything like that, Dominic is the man. Ever have any questions or concerns or anything about your roofing job, or would just like to talk, maybe some roofing advice, give me a call. I'm at my desk quite a bit. If I'm not here, send me an email, the letter J at excelroofing.com. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.